Hey guys, welcome to Compound Body once again today. And today, got Heaven here once again. And we're going to be hitting the seated dumbbell rows. Now this is a great technique for hitting the lats, especially, as well as just all the muscles in the back, the rhomboids, the traps, all the muscles, right? So with this technique, it's especially great for persons who just kind of have issues hitting those barbell rows or dumbbell rows. They just feel like, oh, I'm not doing it right. You know, like something's missing. I want to get more effect in the back muscles, but I'm just doing something wrong. This is a great way of to actually, I'll call it like simplifying the exercise and also making it very effective. So with that being said, we're going to do this technique, show you how it's done correctly, and show you how to actually engage those muscles while doing this exercise. Alright, so I'm going to get Heaven to be the demo, now I'll just be talking. Alright, first thing that you're going to do, grab dumbbells, make sure you lower the bench enough. So in terms of lowering the bench enough, just going to give it an angle. Now you can go fully flat if you have enough elevation to not let the dumbbells hit the floor when you're doing it. Alright, so from lowering the body onto the bench, next thing that you're going to do is you're going to place the dumbbell. Either you can use neutral grip like Heaven has it in, or you can use pronated grip, which is just turning the grip just like that. So firstly, we're going to just do this technique in both grips. So firstly, we're going to do 5 reps in the neutral, and then we're going to turn it to 5 reps in pronated grip, just to kind of show you the difference. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, those lats working. Here we go, those lats, wings spreading nicely. Then she's going to do pronated. Let's go. 1. As you can see, she gets a little bit more elevation and a wider range. And so that's just the difference between pronated and neutral grip. So it's a very easy technique. It's hard to get anything really messed up. Once you keep flat, keep your body fully firm on the bench, and you just roll, roll, roll. Alright guys, so there we have it. I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you liked it. I hope you learned a lot from it. So that's just how to hit the muscles maximum. Alright, so if you're having any kind of issues with your technique, please be sure, send us a video on Instagram at Compound Body. We will definitely help you out. And hit up Evan on Instagram at XV. I said FX the last time, it's actually XV. Hit her up on Instagram, follow her guys, and follow us on Instagram as well. So please be sure to leave a comment right now in the comment section so we can supply you with more videos, as well as subscribe to our channel right now, and we'll definitely be seeing you in our next video. See you next time.